What's up traders, this is Peter from Price Action Forex Limited, and today I'm with another trade breakdown video of AUDUSD, and with this trade we have gained 22.2 plus pips with a risk to reward of a massive 5.55 RRR, and due to the tight SL we were able to manage this kind of risk to reward ratio with a very small trade. So without any further ado, let's head into the charts. So this is the 4-hour chart of AUDUSD, and as you can see that price was in a bear structure. Later price top hunted here and had a huge break of structure above. So later when price was in a bullish phase, price started engineering its equal lows. So it will be taken out in the near future. Price will come here to mitigate, but till then we saw our manipulation over here, right? So at that moment we were in the lower time frames. Let me just so, and if I just turn on our session, what we saw is that price was in this current state, and also we had a trend line liquidity formed, and in the 5-minute time frames we saw a clear manipulation over again just here. And as you can notice that price took out this equal low at pre-London, which is very effective while manipulating. So when we saw this manipulation again, and we were thinking of taking longs, and we were waiting for the perfect opportunity. So we saw this manipulation, then this bullish structure started forming, and also an internal break of structure over here, and also price formed its order block just before NYSE opening. So when we saw that price was about to go bullish, we went long. So this was our trade, and as price had its trend line liquidity, so we were aware of it, and let's see how did the trade go. So after taking out the trend line liquidity, price gave signs of reversing, so we closed the trade right here. Price still managed to go above our expectations, but we were happy with the profit, so we went out of the trade. So so basically this was our trade breakdown of AUDUSD. Will be we connected with you guys with many more trade breakdowns in the near future. Till then, see you in the next trade breakdown video.